Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and add the comic video effects in CapCut. So if you want to apply the comic effects to your clips, you just go straight to effects and click on the video effects, and here you can just use this search feature on CapCut. So click on the search column and type in comic. Click on enter, and in here you'll see there are lots of comic video effects that you can select it. So for example, I'm going to add this B and W comic to my clip like this. You can just try it out, the comic versions that you like. Let's try this American comics, just like that, or the cartoon border. I think it's the same, just the name it's different. So I'm going to just use this American comics effect. You can just go back, click on the check icon, and don't forget to adjust the length. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.